The 3-minute makeup challenge. We're about to find out whether or not I can do a full face of makeup in only 3 minutes. I've been seeing this challenge everywhere lately and I'm really keen to try it out. I just do not know how this is going to turn out, you guys. It's going to be very interesting. I've got 3 minutes on the stopwatch on my phone. Let's do this. There we go. 3 minutes started. Oh, okay. So I'm going to skip primer because I feel like I'm just not even going to have time. Clinique foundation. I've picked this one because it's got a doe foot applicator. It kind of means you can like scoop it up and get it on your skin fast. Oh, I just do not know. It's already been 15 seconds. Are you freaking kidding me? So I'm blending that foundation in. Probably would have been smarter to choose a foundation that was lower in coverage, but honestly, we'll see how we go. Oh, and I'm probably going to have sore muscles after this. Like my arms all cramped from just blending so fast. Okay, that doesn't look too terrible. Oh, we're 2 minutes and 17 seconds down. Okay, so concealer. A little bit turned into a lot, but that's okay. Blending that underneath my eyes. I feel like with 3 minutes, surely we ain't gonna have time for fancy eyeshadow work. I might leave the eyeshadows till last. Blending that concealer over my eyes. Oh, my nose is so red because it is so cold in this room right now. Okay, all right, that doesn't look too bad. Setting powder, go, 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 go. Oh, I nearly dropped it. That would have been a disaster. Setting everything down. I mean, even in a hurry, this powder seems to be working. We love that. Oh. All right, time check, time check. Oh, how has it already been 1.5 minutes? Are you actually kidding me? Okay, bronzer. Get that on there. I mean, complexion doesn't look too bad. I'm not devastated at my complexion right now. And I've watched so many other videos of people doing this and I remember thinking like, oh, surely it's not that hard. Yeah, it is. It's really, really freaking hard. Okay, blush. Oh, shit. Does it count if I'm like crying of laughter? Brows, 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 brows. I've got a brow palette. Okay, fill them in just the tiniest little bit. I really only have time to do the tails. And then maybe, oh, I'm going to go back into, oh my God, 38 seconds. Back into my bronzer. And just use that to sort of darken the crease up a little. Oh my God, this is wild. This is stupid. Lipstick. Lipstick. And then mascara. Oh my God. You guys, this is it. My full face. I'm nearly there. I'm nearly 3 minutes. Okay. Oh, 3 seconds. Done. I'm done. It just went off. Wow. I mean, that was crazy. All of the eyelashes on this eye are literally all clumped together with mascara. I kid you not. But I'm not mad at my complexion. This lipstick job, I kind of look a little on a lean to. I'm going to zoom you guys in and show you this. I've got mascara smudged underneath this eye. Brows, I'm not too mad about the lipstick job. She's seen better days. But yeah, the complexion's actually pretty good. That Clinique foundation really came through with the results. I can't get over how crooked my mouth looks. This is so funny. But there you go, guys. My 3-minute makeup challenge. I hope that you really enjoyed watching this. If you've done this challenge on TikTok or on YouTube, I'd love it if you could tag your video down in the comments. I would absolutely love to see it. And I actually challenge you to do it because it's a lot harder than you think it would be. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love you guys heaps. I'll catch you in my next one.